This is Nathan Doolittle recording my midterm video for geology. The way that I think geology would affect my career path is probably very minimal. Um, Being a college athlete, I still have the dream of going pro, which is very unlikely, but my backup plan is to open up my own gym and run a gym, I guess. Like that's about it. Um, I'm not exactly sure that geology would affect that because a gym is typically indoors and a lot of geology is outside. Um, in general, I think geology is going to affect a lot of things. Like, I think our natural resources will eventually run out, even though that's probably not going to be for billions of years. Um, but at the same time, like, that is an issue, and humans as a whole, we are definitely not helping Earth get healthier, I guess. Um, we definitely create more issues than we solve. And there's a lot of people out there, especially America, that just throws things away, and we create more of landfills, which definitely isn't helping uh, Earth as a whole. I think we need to get better at using things to the extent they're supposed to be used, and then getting rid of them and stop just throwing things away because we can. Because I think if we just continue to throw things away, then we're not going to have them when we need them.